Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Tangerine Bank offers tax-free savings accounts, or TFSAs. The short answer is yes, Tangerine Bank does offer tax-free savings accounts. A TFSA is a registered savings plan that allows you to earn tax-free interest and growth on your savings and investments. The money you contribute, the interest you earn, and any withdrawals you make are all tax-free. Tangerine offers a few different types of tax-free accounts, including a tax-free savings account and a tax-free guaranteed investment certificate, or GIC. The Tangerine tax-free savings account is similar to their regular savings account. It has no monthly fees and no minimum balance. You can earn a competitive interest rate on your money. They also often have promotional rates for new clients. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.